going on, man?
I'm not quite sure.
You stayed there that long, or you don't know?
I was recording it.
Huh? You still recording it?
Yeah, my camera's playing tricks on me. It's mad, just sat in the middle of the road. That's why it's so white was circling them.
Yeah.
Because
it's clear.
Yeah.
Blair camera's going up.
Everyone's cutting their phones out, man. It's a YouTube thing, isn't it?
I see a bus do a U-turn. I'll pick up the bus.
I've never seen a plane in the middle of the road. It's ambulance, so something's got to have happened. Like someone's got to be in hit or something.
I want to make it.
Probably best that I don't take the picture, to be fair.
But I want to make it.
Wait a minute.
Eddie?
There's what? Are they allowing people to go straight?
No, they're directing everybody to go left.
Eddie? It's only got
What's going on? Look over there, look over there. Is there a fire?
Yeah.
Fire engine.
What's traffic?